Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Today, I would like to talk to you about one of the most exciting fields of space exploration, space mining. Space mining involves extracting valuable resources from space, including water, metals, and minerals. The potential benefits of space mining are enormous, ranging from the creation of new industries to the development of new technologies and the provision of new resources for use on Earth and in space. Space mining potential, underground resources in space. The potential of space mining lies in the abundance of resources that are available in space. Many of these resources are scarce on Earth, making space mining an attractive option for businesses and governments around the world. One of the most promising targets for space mining is asteroids, which are small rocky bodies that orbit the Sun. Asteroids are rich in resources such as platinum, gold, and rare earth metals that are difficult to find on Earth. Mining these resources can provide a new source of valuable resources for the global economy. Asteroid mining, using interplanetary resources. Asteroid mining is a relatively new field of space exploration that involves extracting valuable resources from asteroids. This method of space mining has the potential to provide a vast range of valuable resources for use on Earth and in space. Asteroids are rich in a variety of resources, including metals, minerals, and water, which can be used to support future space missions and the development of new technologies. Space mining enterprises, companies investing in space mining. The potential of space mining has attracted the attention of many companies around the world. Several private companies have already invested in space mining ventures, and many more are expected to follow. These companies are developing innovative technologies and business models to make space mining a reality. They are working on new mining equipment and methods that can be used in space, and they are developing new technologies that can help to make space mining more sustainable and environmentally friendly. Space mining technology, mining equipment and methods. Space mining requires specialized mining equipment and methods to extract resources from space. The environment in space is hostile and presents several unique challenges that must be overcome to ensure successful space mining operations. Researchers and engineers are developing new technologies and adapting existing mining techniques for use in space. This includes developing new mining equipment that can withstand the harsh environment of space, and new methods for extracting resources from asteroids. Space mining and sustainability, environmentally friendly mining practices. Space mining presents unique environmental challenges that must be addressed to ensure that mining practices are sustainable and eco-friendly. Mining companies need to develop responsible and environmentally friendly practices that minimize the impact of mining activities on the environment. The goal is to create a sustainable and responsible industry that benefits everyone. Sustainability in space mining. As with any form of mining, space mining also has potential environmental impacts. Therefore, it is important to consider sustainability in space mining operations. Space mining companies need to focus on reducing the environmental impact of their operations and developing environmentally friendly mining technologies. One of the main sustainability concerns in space mining is the creation of space debris. Mining operations can generate a significant amount of waste and debris, which can potentially pose a risk to other spacecraft and satellites in orbit. Companies need to develop strategies to minimize the creation of space debris and ensure that their operations do not interfere with other space activities. Another sustainability concern is the use of resources in space mining. Space resources are finite, and it is important to use them in a sustainable way to ensure that they are available for future generations. Companies should develop technologies that enable them to extract resources in an efficient and sustainable manner and promote the recycling and reuse of materials to reduce waste. International law in space mining. Space mining is a relatively new field, and there is currently no comprehensive legal framework governing mining activities in space. The Outer Space Treaty of 1967, which has been ratified by over 100 countries, provides a general framework for the use of outer space and prohibits the use of weapons of mass destruction in space. However, it does not specifically address mining activities in space. The legal framework for space mining is still being developed, and several countries and international organizations are working to establish guidelines and regulations for space mining. In 2015, the United States passed the Commercial Space Launch Competitiveness Act, which grants U.S. companies the right to own and sell resources extracted from asteroids and other celestial bodies. However, there are still many legal and ethical questions surrounding space mining, including questions about property rights, liability, and the use of resources in space. It is important for the international community to work together to develop a comprehensive legal framework for space mining that balances the interests of all stakeholders and ensures the responsible use of space resources. Human factors in space mining. Space mining is a complex and challenging task that requires the expertise of a wide range of professionals, including engineers, scientists, and astronauts. Human factors play a critical role in the success of space mining operations, and it is important to consider the physical and psychological well-being of the people involved in these operations. Astronauts involved in space mining operations will face unique challenges and risks, including exposure to radiation and the long-term effects of microgravity. Companies need to develop strategies to ensure the health and safety of their employees and provide them with adequate support and resources to cope with the challenges of space mining. Space mining and the space industry. Space mining has the potential to revolutionize the space industry by providing a new source of resources and opening up new opportunities for space exploration and colonization. Space mining can provide the materials needed for the construction of spacecraft and infrastructure in space, reducing the need for expensive and time-consuming launches from Earth. In addition, space mining can provide a new source of revenue for the space industry, opening up new opportunities for commercial space activities. Space mining companies can sell the resources they extract to other space companies, governments, and even terrestrial industries. However, the development of space mining will require significant investment and collaboration between space companies and governments. It is important for the space industry to work together to develop the technologies and infrastructure needed to enable space mining and ensure that it is done in a responsible and sustainable manner. Overall, space mining is an exciting and rapidly developing field with significant potential to revolutionize the way we use and explore space. As the field continues to grow, it is important to consider the environmental, legal, and ethical implications of space mining and work together to develop a responsible and sustainable approach to this exciting new frontier. Thank you for staying with me until the end of this video on space mining. We have covered various aspects of space mining, including its potential as a gold mine for the future, the resources available in space, the technology used in space mining, the sustainability of space mining, the legal framework of space mining, the role of astronauts in space mining, and the economic impact of space mining. As we have seen, space mining has tremendous potential, but it also poses several challenges. It is essential to consider the environmental impact of mining in space and ensure that it is carried out sustainably. Additionally, we need to establish a robust legal framework to govern space mining activities and ensure that they are conducted ethically and responsibly. I hope that this video has provided you with a better understanding of space mining and its potential for the future. If you enjoyed this presentation, please consider subscribing to our channel for more exciting content like this. Don't forget to like and share this video, and feel free to leave your comments and suggestions below. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you again in our next video.